Terstele, this time we'll do Russia as the new center of power. Now let's look at the location of Russia first. If you look in this globe, you can see over here that Russia is located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Let's have a closer view of Russia's map. Now Russia was formed in 1991, okay? After the dissolution of the Soviet USSR, that is Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, Russia emerged as the strong successor of USSR. Okay, now with this military strength associated with other strengths, it is looked at as a new center of power. Some say that it is already a superpower. Now, if you talk about the strengths of Russia, as per the reference provided by CBSE, Russia's landmass, economy, political position, and terms in military, these are the factors that makes Russia a possible new superpower. Okay, of course, we'll do each point in detail. However, before we move on, let's have a look at this picture. This man is Vladimir Putin, and he is the president of Russia. The first strength, area and landmass. Now, Russia has been the largest part of the former Soviet Union even before its disintegration. It is the world's largest country by landmass, nearly as twice as big as Canada. And if you look in this map, you can see the orange part, that is Russia. Okay, let's look at the statistics. Over here you can see Russia and the size of its area. I'm not going to go in detail because you can see clearly over here. Now Russia also has reserves of minerals, natural resources and natural gas that makes it a powerful country in the global world. So it's very rich in natural gas. In terms of Russia's economy, Russia's GDP is currently the 11th in the world. Russia also has the largest amount of natural gas reserves in the world, which I just mentioned earlier. Okay, and therefore it is able to generate substantial wealth from this natural gas. Moving on to the political and diplomatic factor. Now, after the disintegration of the USSR, Russia became its successor. All right, so Russia, inheriting the USSR, is also a permanent member of the Security Council or the P5. Now, with a permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council, Russia has a great deal of influence on the international community. Now, the last factor that we have is the military and armament. If you look in this chart over here, we're talking about the world's most powerful militaries. As of 2019, Russia is at the second position. Talking of the countries holding the world's nuclear arsenal, you can clearly see over here as of 2019, Russia is at the first position. Finally, in terms of the largest militaries in the world or the countries with the largest total available active military manpower, then as of 2019, as you can see over here, Russia stands at the 5th position. All right, so these are the factors which makes Russia a possible new superpower. Well, as I already mentioned earlier, some even say that Russia is already a superpower. Well, this is all about Russia. I know it's short and it should also be easy because we have done a little bit about Russia in our second chapter. Now we are left with India as the new superpower, which I'll be uploading pretty soon. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to do your assignments and project. Bye-bye.